Did you read that correctly? An industrial channel is sharing health content? You might be wondering if the marketing team accidentally uploaded the wrong video. It's no secret that life can be overwhelming at times. Between long work hours and a lack of rest, it's easy to neglect our health. But the truth is, our bodies are like precision machines that need regular maintenance. We may not prioritize taking care of ourselves until something goes wrong, but it's important to prioritize our health on a daily basis. After all, a healthy body is essential for handling the demands of daily life. It's true that our bodies are similar to machines in the sense that they require regular maintenance to function properly. But unlike machines, we can't simply replace them when they break down. That's why it's so important to take care of our bodies, especially when it comes to getting a good night's rest. But how do we ensure that our bodies get the rest they need? Maintenance is a crucial part of any industrial operation. It's important to regularly check on the stability of the precision machines, identify any systems that may be consuming excessive resources, and troubleshoot any issues that arise. It's also important to consider how external factors, such as weather changes, may impact the performance of machines. By staying on top of maintenance, we can ensure that machines are running smoothly and efficiently, leading to better results and overall productivity. As a mechanical tool design company, maintenance is an essential part of our daily routine. Ensuring that our machines are in good condition and able to produce high-quality products is crucial for the success of our business. But how do we ensure that our machines are well maintained and running at their best? If we think of the body as a machine, how do we go about maintaining it? The body's circulatory system works much like a machine, with the heart serving as the power source. When our hands and feet are exposed to low temperatures, the blood vessels in those areas constrict to help keep us warm. However, this can lead to an increase in blood pressure if the same amount of blood is being pumped through a smaller space. This can be dangerous if not properly addressed. But just because a potential danger exists doesn't mean that a problem is inevitable. In fact, the longer a danger is present, the more likely it is that a problem will arise. In the case of a machine, the pump serves as the power source and is responsible for delivering oil to the various parts of the machine. As long as the oil is flowing freely, the machine should operate without any issues. However, if the oil pipe becomes blocked for any reason, the oil pressure will gradually increase, potentially leading to problems down the line if the issue is not addressed. As a mechanical tool design company, it's important to identify and address the root cause of any problems that arise. In the case of a blocked oil pipe, removing the obstruction is key to restoring normal operation. Similarly, if the blood vessels of our hands and feet are constricting due to exposure to cold temperatures, it's important to take steps to keep those extremities warm and protected from the wind and cold. In mechanical design, it's important to ensure that the structure of each part is strong enough to support the overall system. If a single part is not sufficient, reinforcing the structure with additional parts can help increase the overall strength and stability of the machine. In the case of blood pressure, using additional tools or resources can help provide the body with the support it needs to maintain a healthy circulatory system. For example, wearing socks and gloves can help keep the extremities warm, reducing the risk of vasoconstriction and the associated increase in blood pressure. In addition to parts that may be structurally weak, there are also some body systems that consume a large amount of resources. By addressing these areas, we can achieve good results in terms of overall health and well-being. For example, the head is the organ that consumes the most oxygen in the body, with brain cells accounting for 2% of body weight and oxygen consumption accounting for 20% of the total. The neck is also a critical area, as it connects the head to the rest of the body and can become a bottleneck for resources. To support the head and neck, tools like scarves can be helpful. In addition to keeping the neck warm, a scarf can also be used to cover the head, reducing the constriction of capillary pores and protecting against external factors like noise and light that can disrupt sleep. The constriction of capillaries in the head is often caused by temperature changes in the external environment, such as those created by air conditioning. The head, with its high oxygen consumption, is particularly vulnerable to bottlenecks in the flow of resources. The neck and head are also the only parts of the body not covered by clothing or shoes, making them susceptible to temperature changes. When the body is subjected to rapid temperature fluctuations, it can cause the machine to speed up and slow down, leading to problems. To reduce the time and energy consumed by the body's systems, it's important to create a consistent and comfortable environment for sleep. Balancing the temperature of the body is key to getting a good night's rest. The head may be cold, but the rest of the body is hot, leading to the need for air conditioning. To prevent the body from overheating while sleeping, it's important to properly allocate resources and make appropriate adjustments to meet the needs of different parts of the body. Among the various body parts, the abdomen is a particularly rich source of resources, especially when it comes to fat storage. By making adjustments to this area, we can help regulate our body temperature and promote a comfortable sleep environment. For example, when our core temperature is high, we may not need to consume as many resources to stay warm. However, when the core temperature drops, the body may start burning stored fat in the abdomen to generate heat. To lower the core temperature and promote a more restful sleep, it's helpful to reduce the amount of blanket covering around the abdomen. This allows the body to regulate its temperature naturally and reallocate resources as needed. To review, here are a few key points for improving sleep and overall health. Wear gloves and socks to keep the extremities warm and reduce the risk of vasoconstriction. Reduce the amount of blanket covering around the abdomen to lower the core temperature. Use a scarf to keep the head and neck warm, reduce constriction of capillary pores, and protect against external factors that can disrupt sleep. We hope that our understanding of machinery can provide some helpful references for the reallocation of body resources. We wish everyone a good night's sleep and good health in the new year.